You made mention of a section 205 subpoena.
Yes.
Can you please place it on record?
It was received from Brigadier Gininda.
And then the next page.
This subpoena has been submitted for details of a SIM swap on cell phone number 071 437 9551 on the 27th of October 2014.
That's correct. And the number that you identified or you mentioned at this stage on your previous affidavit, JJ1, who is the owner of that particular number?
Senzo Meyiwa.
And you further testified that the phone number belonging to the deceased Senzo Meyiwa was inserted into a new device, a Nokia.
Yes.
Evidence in this court was that that phone, that Nokia phone, at some stage, a phone number that was linked to David Mathebula was once inserted to that particular IMEI number. Do you have a comment on that?
Yes.
Please, the phone number on record.
072 149 3899.
Hello. Are you able to tell from the data that you have in front of you when did the phone number associated with David Mathebula as well as that particular device were used together?
I don't have the data available for the number ending 3899.
But from Annexure A, are you able to tell that the number ending with 899 as well as the device, the Nokia device?
As per Annexure A, I can confirm that the IMEIs were related and used, yes.
Okay. So since we have established that number belonged or was associated to David Mathebula, did that number at any stage have any contact with any number associated with Khumalo?
Yes. If we look at Exhibit J1 on page 1651, you will find the lower part of that page, 27th October 2014 at 7:32. The number ending 3899 called the number ending 4358, which was on voicemail. If you move on to page 1653, still on the 27th of October 1608, the number ending 3899 called the number ending 4358, which was on voicemail. That call lasted 7 seconds. Thereafter, at 17:15, another call was made from the number ending 3899, the number ending 4358, which was still on voicemail, lasted 4 seconds. 17:22, similar activity took place, or lasted 14 seconds. Thereafter, a few seconds later, at 17:22, 3899 called 4358, still on voicemail, 7 seconds. Towards the bottom of the page, at 1910, 3899 called 4358, which remained on voicemail.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Masa for all those who do not know me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us on yet another video. And if it is your first time here, you're very much welcomed on this platform. Please do cool your bike and feel at home. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us on yet another video. If you have not subscribed, I do kindly ask that you click the subscribe button. It is free to do so. Also, please do not forget to like this video. By doing so, you do help it to reach more people. Thank you so much to each and everyone who has been engaging on the comment section. I really do appreciate it. And thanks to everyone who has been watching the ads. I know they can be boring, but thank you so much for helping me to grow financially on this platform. In this video, we are talking about the Senzo Meyiwa Murder Trial, and we're talking about the evidence that has been brought in front of us by Upinki from Vodacom. Now, Upinki is an employee from Vodacom, and she is presenting her evidence on the cell phones. But something that is very interesting to me is that Upinki says that these were requested by Brigadier Gininda, I think about last month. Now, the question that I have, and it's very alarming, it is that for a murder that happened in 2014, only in 2024, the investigating team thought about investigating those cell phones. There's something that I really do not understand. Maybe someone can actually explain to me how these things work when it comes to investigations, because I thought cell phones would be one of the first things that you actually look into, if maybe you are indeed suspecting, because when those people were arrested, they allegedly, they made statements according to the police. They made statements where they actually confessed and said, we were in communication with Khumalo. So I thought that would be the first thing that they would go to, so that they can also arrest Khumalo. But I always see on the comment section people saying, you would know by now why Khumalo has not been arrested. To be honest, I'm still new on this case, and I really want to know, why is it that Khumalo has not been arrested? Why is it that Khumalo has not been questioned, considering the fact that the accused people made confessions saying that they've been instructed by Khumalo to delete Senzo Meyiwa. But anyway, I'm still watching, and it's very interesting to see that things unfold, because we also heard from Upinki that a SIM swap was done the next day on Senzo Meyiwa's cell phone. That is the day after he had passed on. Now, the question is, who did the SIM swap? It has been heard that Khumalo did have Senzo Meyiwa's SIM swap. Did have Senzo Meyiwa's ID. So it is still suspected. I can see that people are suspecting that she is the one who did the SIM swap because of how things have been happening. We also heard the name of David Mathebula, who is a retired soccer player. David Mathebula was in contact with Khumalo, and also the phone that was used to insert Senzo Meyiwa's SIM card after the SIM swap, it was David Mathebula's phone. A lot has been happening, and a lot has been shared by Upinki. However, the challenge that we're having with Upinki is that she is not well, and apparently it's been like a month now since she has not been well. So the court keeps adjourning, keeps postponing, because the witness is not well, and we are very much interested in hearing what she has to say. And according to the evidence that Upinki has presented in front of the court, seemingly it is different from what the previous witnesses have been testifying on their cell phones. This case, to be honest, it is there is so much that is happening, and we have been seeing Judge Rata, sometimes speaking for the witnesses. Maybe maybe there's pressure on this case, but let us wait and hear what Upinki has to say today. What is it, and what is another bombshell that Upinki has for us today? We also heard the name of Silo Chikotwala being mentioned in court by Upinki, but that seems to be a phone that was used Ulonge Twala, who is Chikotwala's son. But thank you so much for watching until the end. I will see you on my next video. Please do not forget to engage on the comment section, and please do like this video. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.